We're getting ready to pack it up and head to Florida for Orlando Hamcation, the first stop on the Ham Shack TV Hamfest tour, fueled by Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League. Let's get started, shall we? Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Ham Shack TV. I'm your host, Josh, A4WX. Appreciate you tuning in. Today's episode is brought to you by one of the proud partners for Ham Shack TV's Hamfest Tour, fueled by Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League. It is World Radio League. Folks, if you're a big-time logger, big-time DX, or maybe just starting in the hobby, guys, I want you to go check out worldradioleague.com. First off, you can set up an account for free. However, they do have some premium features that are really, really cool, such as log importing, cat control, all kinds of cool stuff that come in the paid memberships. Guys, go check it out for free, worldradioleague.com, and use coupon code HAMShackTV. That'll give you 10% off. They're already great prices on those memberships. Worldradioleague.com. Thank you for your partnership with Ham Shack TV. All right, so we are getting very close to embarking on this year's Ham Shack TV Hamfest Tour. And we're excited about it. This year, we're scaling it back a little bit, but we're doing it bigger at the same time. We're going to be at the 3 premier Hamfests in the United States this year. First stop is Orlando Hamcation, right there in Orlando, Florida. And we are only a little bit over a week away. Actually, we are a week as of this recording today. A week today from heading down to Orlando. So I figured, you know what? Let's go ahead and get an early check on the forecast and see where we're at. So as of this recording, I'm recording this on Monday, but it's coming out on Wednesday. Here we go. We're at AccuWeather.com, and they have the forecast that extends out. Now, keep in mind, this is a little bit away, so this could change. But we'll scroll on through here to Wednesday. I know a lot of you will be arriving in Orlando on Wednesday. February the 11th, sunny with 75 degrees, plenty of sunshine. Looks like only a 1% chance of rain that day. South-southwest winds at 4 miles per hour. Thursday, I will be arriving Thursday. I'm going to drive through the night, Wednesday night, get down there Thursday morning. 78 degrees, more sun than clouds, it says. 1% chance of rain. Winds out of the south-southwest at 5 miles per hour. On Friday, February 13th, thickening clouds. Oh, that's not a good sign. 11% chance of rain, but thickening clouds, so partly to mostly cloudy, but a balmy 80 degrees. Folks, I cannot wait for that 80 degrees after the snow and ice that we've been dealing with here in Tennessee. South-southwest winds at 9 miles per hour. Moving on into Saturday. By the way, Friday is when the show opens, so that will be a big day there at Hamcation. Saturday, Valentine's Day, February the 14th, 78 degrees with a touch of rain in the morning. Otherwise, after a cloudy start, sunshine will return. So we're looking at maybe a damp morning, but nice weather in the afternoon. 62% chance of rain. Southwest winds at 12 miles per hour. And then on Sunday, Orange County Fairground, or Central Florida Fairground, anyway, whatever. Periods of rain in the morning, otherwise considerable cloudiness, 69% chance of rain showers. So again, we're talking about morning rain and then drier conditions in the afternoon. 76 degrees looks to be your high with a wind of west-northwest at 8 miles an hour. Most of us will be leaving out of Orlando on Monday, but we'll read that off anyway. 69 degrees with sunny most of the time. Only a 10% chance of rain on Monday. So there you go, folks. That's an early look at the forecast for Orlando, Florida. I will keep an eye on it, and as things change, I will give updates. But we're looking forward to getting y'all down there and taking y'all along. If you're coming, get in the comments. Let me know that you're coming. I want to make sure that we are able to see you, say hi, maybe give you a Ham Shack TV sticker or something like that. I will be camping on site, Ham Radio 2.0, K8MRD, buddy from Seed Studio, Dave, KB5UTY is going to be there, Pota Power, all the greats. We're looking forward to hanging out with them for a weekend. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We'll have a lot of coverage down from Orlando Hamcation. Cannot wait Guys, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, as I said. Also, stay tuned, because this Thursday night, February the 5th, I'm going to have the chairman and the commercial chairman of Orlando Hamcation on Ham Shack TV Live. We're looking forward to having them on, having a little preview of the show. It's going to be exciting. Stay tuned. More content to come. 7-3 AA4WX WSCB 693.